Hello beautiful and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Charlene Town and I share healthy habits, mindset shifts, and healthy recipes to help you live a healthy lifestyle that you actually love living. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I love you so much. As you guys saw earlier, I had a beautiful slow morning with my coffee out on the deck. It's still really chilly here in the mornings, but it's so nice to just get outside, get that fresh, crisp air first thing in the morning, get those first little rays of sunlight while I'm doing my gratitude practice. But I am now jumping into a full weekend reset because you guys, I've got some friends coming to visit in a couple days and we've had our bathroom being remodeled all week. And so we've got construction dust and just like all of the things we need to tidy up a little bit. I will insert some pictures of the bathroom remodel. If anybody is interested, I will put those in at the end so that if you're not interested, you don't have to be bored by that now. But before we jump into this like full reset, I just want to make a quick smoothie and I need to make my almond milk in order to make my smoothie. And I've had a couple people reach out to me recently saying that they want that recipe. And so it's so quick and so easy. I just wanted to share that quick almond milk recipe with you guys really fast. And then I'm gonna make a smoothie. We gotta reset the kitchen. I'm gonna do my full kitchen restock before they get here. They're not coming for like a couple days. And so I wanna have like a fresh kitchen and like fresh food for when they get here. But I do need to clean out my fridge. We need to wipe down all the counters. We need to vacuum the floors. I already picked up the living room. So let's quickly make some almond milk. But don't forget, if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe and let's make some almond milk together. Let's get some high protein smoothie in and then we're gonna reset this kitchen because we've had a lot of stuff going on. If I'm honest, like it's not too bad. I feel like I've been picking up as I go. The dishes just got finished being done, but we've got more dishes to do. Yes, my garbage is on the counter. Don't judge me. I've got 3 dogs in my house and we had guys pouring a concrete slab in the backyard and I guess I could put that back under the sink at this point, but I need to take it out and I didn't have access to take it out a little bit ago. So, you know, we listen, we see each other, we don't judge. We're all friends here. So I won't judge you if you don't judge me. So let's make some almond milk really fast on my clean counter over on this side. Okay, let's make some almond milk so we can make a smoothie. Guys, I cannot stop eating this chocolate peanut butter smoothie. It's so good. This almond milk is 2 ingredients. I just take my Vitamix blender. This is key and crucial if you don't have a Vitamix blender. As long as you have a high-powered blender, I think it'll be fine, but my Vitamix is my lifeline. Okay, so you need 4 cups of filtered water. Then you need some almonds. You gotta soak your almonds. You can soak them for like an hour up to 24 hours. When I'm getting low on my almond milk, I put a cup of almonds in filtered water. I put mine in the fridge because I used to leave it out on the counter and they got yucky. If it gets too hot, they like ferment kind of, and that's not good. Okay, so we're just gonna take our blender. We're gonna put it up here. All right, so we have our 4 cups of water. I do a cup of organic raw almonds. I soak them in filtered water. I do leave mine in the refrigerator because I used to leave them out on the counter and it gets warm here in the afternoon and they like ferment if they sit on the counter and then you can't use them. So to prevent that from happening, I put mine in the refrigerator. We just take our almonds. I like to rinse mine. Then you just pour your almonds in. If you want to, you can add vanilla to this. In my experience, adding any amount of vanilla to this, it doesn't actually give it too much of a vanilla taste. So what I prefer to do is I save my vanilla and I just add vanilla to the recipe that I'm making, not to my almond milk. Does that make sense? So I leave my almond milk plain, but when I make my smoothie, I'll add vanilla so that it tastes like vanilla. I just noticed that it didn't matter how much vanilla I put in here. I couldn't taste it in the almond milk anyway, so why waste it, okay? Then we turn it on and we blend this for 1 to 2 minutes, okay? Okay, so that's all blended up. Let's get rid of this guy. The only other thing you need, I like a really big measuring cup because it just makes it easier to pour. And then I think this is called a milk bag, nut bag, a nut milk bag. I got a tip from when I first started making it is turn it inside out so that the almond fibers don't get caught in the seam. So I turn mine inside out and then you just put it in your thing. Okay, and then I store mine in a glass mason jar. So, got that. Ignore my dishes. We're getting to the reset, I promise. Okay, So then we just pour it in with clean hands. We also just washed our hands, okay? It's seriously as easy as that, and then I just store it in this glass jar. There you go. There's a little bit more in there, but I'll strain that out and use it for my smoothie. It'll store in the fridge for a couple days. I'm gonna make myself a quick smoothie. It's my chocolate peanut butter smoothie that I've been eating on repeat forever. If you guys haven't figured this out by now, I eat the same thing all the time. We are making some really delicious chicken tacos tonight. So I'm filming a week's worth of dinner for you guys. So I will be filming dinner tonight for you guys, but that won't be part of this video. That will be part of a different video. But if you guys need some delicious high protein dinner recipes, know that those are coming for you really soon. So I'm gonna make my smoothie really quick and let's get this reset started.
Don't wanna wait another day, don't wanna fight to fade to glow. We're going under the weather, harder than ever, higher than high we go. I'm flying light as a feather when we're together. I'm falling like a domino. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. Until we get it right. 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 Spending all my days with.
What you doing?
I'm harvesting the beans.
Ooh, let me see. What you got?
I got this so far, and I found this really big one. You should check it out.
Okay. Whoa, that's
So,
a good one.
I just found this one. It's probably the first one that started growing. And looks like that I almost checked the whole plant.
Awesome. We got a lot of beans.
The weather, harder than ever, higher than high we go. I'm flying light as a feather when we're together. I'm falling like a domino.
I think our bean plants are doing good.
Yeah.
Look how many I got so far.
Shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up until we get it right.
All right, you guys, it is that day. Our friends are gonna be here so very soon, so I need to finish cleaning out the office because I've been filming and getting other content ready for you guys. I need to move the mirror and hang up some blackout curtains and set up the bed and get all ready to go because they're gonna be here so soon. So let's get it going.
Wishing I was someone else. Now the tables are turned and I climb right out as well. Someone granted my plea like a coin in a wishing well. We're going under the weather, harder than ever, higher than high.
I think I could go with one, but it came with two, so we're just gonna do two. But my friend is coming and she's got babes, so we want to make sure it's blackout, right? We want to make sure she's got blackout curtains so the kiddos can sleep if they need to take a nap, right? Right. Okay.
Until we get it right. Until we get it right.
Mission accomplished. I think that's pretty good. All right, let's get her bed.
I wanna scream and shout, keep scream and shout, keep it up all night until we get it right. Until we get